Ready to supercharge your workflow in Jira using the power of AI? Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to bring Chatgpt right into your Jira environment so you can boost productivity and foster smoother team collaboration. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not just how to integrate Chatgpt, but how to unlock some major efficiency wins. Think faster ticket sorting, clearer documentation, and even automated reporting, all powered by AI. Let's jump straight in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Jira dashboard and head to your settings. From here, navigate to Apps and then click Find New Apps. This is kind of like visiting an app store, but specifically for Jira, a treasure trove of tools to enhance your workspace. In the search bar, simply type in ChatGPT or AI Assistant. You'll see a variety of options, but I recommend picking a reputable solution. For example, something like ChatGPT AI Assistant Pro or ChatGPT for Jira. These apps typically have good support and active development teams, which means smoother updates and fewer headaches down the road. Now, when you hit install, you'll be prompted to go through a short configuration process. This step usually involves linking your OpenAI account, if you have one, or you might just use the app's built-in AI features. Take your time here. You're essentially giving Jira access to a powerful AI engine that can help your whole team work smarter. If you get stuck or aren't sure about any setting, don't worry. Most app providers have walkthroughs and documentation to guide you. If you're looking for even more flexibility, say integrating AI with specific parts of your workflow, automation platforms like Zapier or Albato can really level up your setup. The idea here is to create rules. For example, imagine a Zap, where every time a new comment is added to a Jira ticket, it automatically gets sent to ChatGPT for sentiment analysis. Then, the result can be posted right back into Jira as an internal note. This kind of automation is like having a super responsive assistant who handles repetitive tasks, saving you hours every week and allowing you to focus on more complex work. Now, for the technically minded folks out there, Jira's REST API opens the door to custom integrations. Maybe you're comfortable writing a bit of Python or tinkering with command line scripts. ChatGPT can actually help generate these scripts for you, whether you want to bulk update fields, create issues automatically based on incoming emails, or tailor status updates exactly how your team prefers them. It's a bit more advanced, but don't let that intimidate you. Even small automations here can significantly reduce manual effort and cut down on routine tasks. So, what changes can you expect once ChatGPT is woven into your Jira setup? First, ticket triage and assignment becomes much faster and less error-prone. Imagine AI sorting and prioritizing tickets for you, so nothing important falls through the cracks. You'll notice reduced manual effort, especially with documentation and status updates, things that tend to get repetitive and slow over time. Clarity becomes the norm, as ChatGPT ensures every issue description is crisp and formatted consistently, so anyone on your team can jump in and understand the context right away. And when it comes to reporting, the AI can analyze project data and generate clear, insightful summaries, making your stand-up meetings a breeze. If any part of this feels overwhelming, remember, you can start small and scale up as you go. Play around with simple automations, tweak configurations until they suit your style, and don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below if you have any questions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more actionable tips. And as always, let me know what features you're hoping to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.